So for those of you that are new to my channel, or maybe you're not, you definitely want to see this home in the framing stage. We had the pre-sheetrock framing inspection. I know that you guys can TV is there over shoulder, and I'll show you how big this area is. I'm still walking backwards. Nice. But they need it because they're going to put tile up there, right? And they want it to be completely, they want it to be impervious to any water penetration going that direction. Well, I tell you guys, your home looks a lot different. The sheetrock, bricks done. Anyways, James Potenza, your Houston and Manvel new construction realtor. We're walking through this David Weekley home that we've been building with the clients. They're super excited, and of course so am I. But once you get sheetrock in these homes, it really becomes a nice home. But let me spin you around. But first, I want to make sure that you guys know who I am, what I do. I'm James Potenza, Houston and Manvel new construction realtor. Look me up, help you out, represent your best interests, help you get the best deal on a well-built home anywhere in Houston. All right, let me start you back up in the front. All right, guys. David Weekley, Meridiana, Manvel, Texas. I don't know why they got your grass dropped off already. But they might be fixing to level it and plant it. But yeah, they got your brick up. Looks great. Nice choice on the brick color too. I love the way the grout. Oh look, you got a temporary security camera. Wave. That's cool. They're keeping an eye on your house. Here's the side. There's your air conditioner pad. Your gas line is going to go here. Of course, water spigot. Your electrical panel. Cool. I know you guys are excited. And your stone elevation in the front looks awesome. And a couple of drain cleanouts over there. So let's get to the good stuff. And I picked the perfect day because there's nobody in here working. I'm just going to take you right to the kitchen. Bam! So for those of you that are new to my channel, or maybe you're not, you definitely want to see this home in the framing stage. We had the pre-sheetrock framing inspection. I was here with the inspector, and it is so cool once they get the sheetrock. They've even painted too. You got the baseboards painted, the start paint. They'll come back and touch it up, obviously, but nice. Look at all the lights. Here's you got two breakfast areas right here. Nice. Big windows, covered patio. I am so excited for you guys. Here's your master bedroom. Little cute windows up here. Put your bed here. Super nice. Starting to get your towel coming in. Hey. Nice. And here's your other floor. That's probably for, yep, that's your bathroom floor. And I don't want to flip those over one-handed, but that's going to be more tile. Bam! Look at that, guys. Woo! Look at the size of this entry door, too. Nice. Did you guys get a pocket door, or not a pocket door, but a sliding barn door? I forgot, but that would be cool. There's the thinking room. Oh yeah, I remember in the inspection that in this room, yep, they fixed it. There was a big bulge right there where they had to put some, basically a nail plate, but they totally fixed that. Nice. I mean, it was a big bulge. I don't know how they probably furred it out with just a little bit. They probably furred it out and then they put the sheetrock on. If you don't know what furring is, it's basically putting something thin here to make it that direction. So in case you have some imperfections or whatever, then they can just put the sheetrock on. That's what they did. Looks good. So I know this is moisture paint. Don't give me a lie on what it's called, but they need it to put. I'm gonna step in. Yeah, better not. But they need it because they're going to put tile up there, right? And they want it to be completely. There you go. They want it to be impervious to any water penetration going that direction. So any wet areas. Oh, look. Of course not. It'd be cool if we can see a fan, or not the fan, the can. Can't talk today. Nice. Oh my gosh, guys, I am so excited for you. Almost double closets. And I guess you don't even have a door there. That is a really cool design. Haven't seen that. Big double sinks. Bam, bam. How many times is he going to go bam? What is wrong with him? He's supposed to be showing the home off and he's going bam. I know what you guys are thinking. TV goes there, for sure. And I'll show you how big this area is. I'm still walking backwards. Nice. Look at these windows with the ledge. Super cool. Nope, I don't get excited about building a house, do I? Perfect. I love how this is. It's not a walk-in, but look how many shelves you got and how deep it is, and it's right here in the kitchen. I hate those pantries that are not even in the kitchen. It's just dumb. There's your David Weekley architecture right there. Nice. So check out the video of this in the framing stage. And it's amazing how they build these curves. It's perfect. Don't mind the shadows. If it doesn't look perfect, it's because of the shadows. But trust me, it is neat and clean. Half bath, bedroom, double closets. Even curved it on this side. That's pretty good. You got the framers that basically, wow, can't talk this morning. They got the framers that do their job, do their part on making that part, that curve. Yep, more of that green. Moisture resistant. I don't know. I've seen different products that they use. But what I was saying is, you obviously get the framers that come in here and they got to do their part. And then you got the sheetrockers that do their magic to make that look really cool. Well, there's your data box. Little coat closet. Low voltage, probably put a router in there. There's another coat closet. Boy, your house keeps going and going, doesn't it? Oh yeah, the full bath. Oh yeah, remember I was in here. Yeah, it is a full bath, but it's connected, or actually these two rooms use that full bath. For some reason I thought that full bath was connected to that room, but I don't know, it's like this is better. Nice. Bedroom. Utility room. That's big. Oh my gosh, look at this. You have countertop, probably cabinets underneath, washer dryer. You might be able to fit a small fridge in here. Only if you need one. And garage. So sorry about the no light situation here. They got the garage door shut. Cool. So your water heater is going to go there. They've got it plumbed for your water softener in case you want to add one. Right there, buddy. Electrical outlet. It's your gas line for your tankless. Vents out there. Hello. I'm in a weird mood today. I don't know. Maybe just walking around new construction homes. And maybe that Celsius energy drink I just had. We've been up there during the framing stage already. So double check the video. We'll definitely go up there when the home is in its final stage. So you'll get your final inspection. You'll get 2 walkthroughs with your construction manager. Before you sign off on it. So yeah, what'd you guys think? I think the place is looking amazing. I love the lot that you get. It's a corner lot with a bunch of green space over to the right of the house. But yeah, anyway, it's coming along really good. I'm really, really happy for you guys. So James Potenza, your Houston Manvel new construction realtor. If you need somebody to oversee a new construction home being built or even an inventory home, either way, you're going to get a really good deal, and I'll help make sure that the home is built right. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.